Hey guys, and today I'm going to show you how to today I'm going to show you how to download and install the XrayMod. So what you're going to need is mod loader and XrayMod. Probably be in the description. Okay, so I'm just going to go to Rome, and I'm going to go to Minecraft. Open that up. Oops. That up with Window Archiver, and it's a very simple tutorial. You're just gonna have to open your mod loader and just drag it in. What I have to mention to you is that you gotta delete in a little folder called media ends, but it's not here at the moment because I've already deleted it pre-hand. So you've installed your mod loader, and then you get your Xray and you just drag all these class files just like that in there, just like that, and then you just quit out of this and go into your Minecraft. Just open it up. If it comes up with a black screen, it means you've done something wrong, so just go into there. Play selected world, and then I said that a bit wrong. I meant like, yeah, never mind. Yeah, so just test it out by pressing X, and look, we've installed it. So that's about it, and also check C and V. Yeah, okay, so that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys, and hopefully you enjoyed this mod too. So see you next time on another RapidCrafting video.